So before we get started, though, I want to give you kind of an overview of what we're going to do today. I put another outline up on reactu.xyz, which is a pretty cool domain, if you ask me. And the outline basically is well, besides what it says there, we're starting off with talk about like the architecture of React Native, and James, who knows a lot about this, is going to talk about that. We'll talk about what's known as the bridge and some performance-related concerns related to the bridge. After that, I'm going to talk about animations using the animated API. And then we'll get into some other core APIs. We'll talk about keyboard and app state and fetch and linking and some things like that. Then Devin's going to show you how to build the modal that is mocked up in the Day2 PDF that you see there, and use a gesture so you can like pull it around and throw it away. And then after that, we'll go over kind of the current state of the ecosystem. We'll talk about various topics like that people often ask about, like what component library should I use, what testing tool should I use, what's this, what's that, etc. And so just more of a broad kind of going through a variety of topics that we often get asked about and trying to address those. And after that, there will be a little bit about testing before we kind of just go into an kind of exercise period where at the end, depending on how much time we have, maybe 2 hours or so, probably a bit less, there's a list of a bunch of exercises in the Day2 thing. And so you can pick out whichever ones you think are the most interesting and work on them, and we'll come around and help you, and you can help each other. And just to make sure, that it's not just all copying things off the board and you actually get your hands dirty doing something. So that's pretty much what we have planned for today. So I'm going to let James get started talking about the React Native bridge.